Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we're back with another hair installation video, and today we'll be installing this lovely unit from BeautyForever here. This unit is a 24-inch 13x4 honey blonde kinky straight unit, and I'm feeling it. I'm here for it. I love it. It's giving natural. Everything about this unit is just amazing. If you're interested and you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and check out the video, and I'll see you guys at the end with my final thoughts about this unit. And today they sent us this beautiful 24-inch 13x4 kinky straight honey blonde unit, and this is it. Pretty much everything was done to the unit already. All we need to do is to install it, and I'm about to go ahead and do that. But if you want to get this here, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So this is the package our wig came in, and we also received some small gifts in our package as well. We received a goodie bag with wig caps, melting bands, nails, a lot of goodies. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. Just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip band on. I'm also just gonna go ahead and add a wig cap over this. So now I'm about to add some foundation to my lace, but this is what our lace is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some foundation to my lace, and then we put our wig on. This is what our lace is looking like now that we added foundation. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. The wig did come with the strap attached to it already. This is it, fully customized, pre-plucked, ready to be installed. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. First impression, definitely love this unit. Love this color, it fits my head really good. This is it. Now I'm about to install my wig. I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my unit, and I definitely will be keeping this super natural. I try to keep my colored wigs natural because it gives a more realistic vibes, so I'm definitely gonna keep this one natural. The method that I use is pretty simple. You just cut the excess lace off, apply glue to the hairline, tie it down, and then boom, you're done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. Guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and right now it is given super natural, and it is completely glueless. What I'm about to do now is to apply some glue around the hairline, tie this down, and then we finish styling our wig. It is a super easy method if you want to achieve a really nice natural look on your wigs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. is what our hairline is looking like now that we applied the glue. It is giving natural, it's giving real. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry. I will be using the melting band that they sent for us. Just gonna go ahead and tie this down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my wig. I will be using my Samnite wax stick. Just gonna go ahead and flat iron my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to my wig to give it a little bit more moisture and a little bit more silkiness to this unit. Alright, so this is what our wig is looking like. Now I'm about to flat iron my wig. I will be going track by track because it is a kinky unit, so it's a little bit harder to straighten. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into 2 sections to flat iron it. So our heat protection spray for today is from Paul Mitchell. This is your flexible style heat protection spray. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. What our hairline is looking like. It is giving super natural. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation around the hairline in my part, and basically that'll be it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my wig. Guys, so this is the finished look. It is given super natural. This is it. Super soft. The unit is super pretty, super soft. I love everything about this unit. Overall, this unit was really good, super easy to install, blends really well, lace smells great, it's giving a really nice natural vibe. The only problem I had with this unit, it wasn't really a problem, it's just that it was a little bit frizzy, but we definitely fixed that. We definitely added more moisture to the unit and it's back to normal. So I will definitely give this unit a 9.5 out of 10. This is the unit. She's super pretty, super easy to install, and it comes fully customized. Again, this unit is from BeautyForever here. This is your 24-inch 13x4 honey blonde kinky straight unit. This is the final look. Super soft. This is it. I want to say thank you for BeautyForever for sending us this lovely unit. Guys, if you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description to make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, let me know how you feel about this unit, because I really genuinely love this unit. Guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.